Okay, find the values of x and y, but they give you some information. They tell you that those two triangles are congruent. So because two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are congruent. So you have to find the corresponding parts. So D corresponds with Q, so angle D, angle Q, etc. So I'm going to highlight, so segment DE, I highlighted in yellow, will correspond with QR. Well, that's perfect because that sets up the equation. 5y subtract 7 is equal to 38, and then you would just solve, and then your answer would be in units because it's a side length. And then we've got this angle measure. So this angle measure right here, angle S, so it's the third, it's congruent to angle F. Ooh, we don't know angle F, but what we do know is it's the third angle in a triangle, so triangle sum theorem. So to find angle F, we could say 180 degrees, subtract 123 degrees, subtract 29 degrees is equal to the measure of angle F. And then when you do the math, you do the subtraction, you get 28 degrees. Well, because of that, you now have an equation. You have this angle in degrees is equal to this angle in degrees. And then you would solve, and then remember your answer you need to put in degrees. All right, so I'm not going to do the algebra here because by the time you're doing geometry, you're going to be solid. You would know that you would subtract 2, and then you would divide both sides by 2 to get your answer. And then over here, the same. And then when you divide both by 5, you get 9 units. All right. Yep. Okay, I'm going to pause that one. But look it's all because of corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are congruent. So when they tell you that triangles are congruent, you just have to find which sides and which angles go together. All right, that's it for this one.